I'm running Xperia Play Racing Speed EOL. Now I'm going to try to install the Kitkat ROM, the latest version. So I open the flash tool and I'm gonna flash the kernel, alright, in fast boot mode. So I have flashed the kernel. You just have to do this. Just go to the folder, click on right button, put open with WinRAR and extract. In the boot is here. When you fast boot the kernel, you just choose this and put these folders on the micro SD card first. It's better if you put them first, then you do the fast boot, okay? Then when it appears the logo from Legacy Xperia, you see the light and you click volume down to enter recover. I'm just waiting to enter, okay? Wait a little bit. Now I have entered the recovery menu, but it takes like a minute or so to enter. Don't despair, it's all good, okay? Then just do the wipes. Wipe data in factory reset. As you see, this recovery it's a bit slower than the normal, like turbo kernel or lupus, but it works. Just be patient, okay? Then I'm wiping. It's complete. Now you do wipe cache, partition, it's wiped. Then go to mounting storage, press button home and format system. Then flash data, and last you format the cache. It's the last step, cache, and format. All done. Then install the zip and go to your downloaded file and flash the ROM. Okay, it's flashing. Okay, now it's done, and I'm gonna reboot the system. Okay, let's see if it works. Just to let you guys know that I don't have flashed the Newell FTF. I'm using the firmware. It's 0.79, okay, with vendor partition. So let's see if it works fine without the Newell FTF. So I have the latest baseband for Xperia Play. You have the link on the description or on my DevHost account or in my blog. Okay, it's booting. So as you see, it's booting fine. Okay, let's put the hour. I put my and put it. Okay, I have the Wi-Fi. Just take a minute to put my password. As you see, I have the data on, the APN is working, I have 3G, I have the Wi-Fi working. Okay, on a clean install and free RAM, you have almost 170 free RAM. Of course you need to touch a bit, okay?